Hi friends, welcome back to Cinema Space 4K. Today we are going to unbox RedGear Chameleon wired mechanical keyboard. It is nicely packed in a foam. Let's take out the keyboard. The keyboard also comes with a free keycap puller which we can use to remove the keys. There is also a user manual. Okay, let's take the keyboard out. Mechanical keyboards are preferred by the tactile feel. You will get a clicky feel when you type it. There is also a free cover. They are available in black, white and red colors. We have the black variant. The keyboard weighs almost 1.4 kilograms. As you can see, this base panel is very sturdy. As you can see, the USB connector is gold plated, which is a plus point. Listen to the clicky sound. There are 8 pre-configured lighting modes. Also, there is an option to add more. The keyboard shortcut is FN plus scroll lock for the lighting modes. The 8 presets can be accessed by clicking FN plus number keys 1 to 8. This is the snake effect. Do you like it? There is also an option to increase the speed and the brightness of the LED modes. This is my favorite. Okay, RedGear uses scale blue switches for his Chameleon. The switch is very clicky. Okay, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. It is greatly appreciated.